I would consider this little crash we saw the other day just a sweep of liquidation and a way to take out all the leverage trades. You have to keep into consideration how many people are degenerates and trade with extreme greed and use leverage in crypto. And I would be safe in assuming that the majority of leverage trades got liquidated within that cascade. There was billions of dollars that left the market within a few hour period, and it was the largest crash of all time within the shortest amount of time in the crypto space. And the fact that it recovered just as fast as it sold off was a good sign to me that more than likely this was a sweep from dumb money into smart money. And that transition happens from people that are getting liquidated. And then while everything is dropping 20 to 60%, for example, AVAX I think went down 66%. There were a lot of big money people that were buying and accumulating while things were dropping. To the point that even if you were to get to Ethereum at the low and then played it back to the high, you would have caught about a 25% move. If you ran that on 10x leverage, that would have been a 250x move. If you would have ran that on 10x leverage, that would have been a 250% move. And at the end of the day, the markets are not designed for everyone to make money. They're meant to drain the money and inflict max pain to the majority of people so that the 5% can win and the 95% can lose. So going into the next week, can we drop back down to 107, back to $102,000 range? Absolutely. We're still in a bearish crossover as well on Bitcoin on the daily. But what I'm looking more so after this liquidity sweep is to see this push topside. Maybe swing back to 126, even maybe create new all-time highs and push into the $130,000 to $140,000 range. One of the main reasons I do like this setup too is if you go look at the Fibonacci, we pulled down to the 50 fib. That gives us a good opportunity to get to take profit one. Take profit one for this move is going to be at about 140,500. That would also be a liquidity sweep to the top side. So if we were to play it to this top side, this would be a higher probability fake out zone, aka somewhere that I might be looking for a short and or taking profits on my longs. At this exact moment, volume is not that good in the last 24 hours either, so unless we start to see this play up, it could be pretty possible to see a short-term downtrend. And if you want to learn my trading strategy or get access to all of my trades, you can always join us in the Epic Trading Floor. You can go to epictradingfloor.com, EPIC or EPIQ. Go to the link in the video or the one in the comments or the description. You can sign up for free, and you can even get access for the All Access Pass for free for 3 days. And you get 50% off the first month. So I appreciate you all. I hope you have an amazing week. Hopefully end the week in the positive, making some money, and I will see you on the next video.